In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Zoom in LearnWorlds. If you're looking to host live sessions and connect with your audience seamlessly, this video is for you. I'll guide you through how Zoom integrates with LearnWorlds, and stick around, because at the end, I'll share a killer alternative you may want to consider for better results. First things first, you need a Zoom account. If you don't have one yet, head over to Zoom's website and sign up for free. LearnWorlds can connect to your Zoom account, so once you have it, you're ready to integrate the two. The next thing you'll need to do is connect your Zoom account to LearnWorlds. To do this, log into your LearnWorlds account and head to the admin dashboard. From there, go to the Integrations section and select Zoom. You'll be prompted to log into your Zoom account, and once connected, you'll have full access to all of Zoom's features within LearnWorlds. Once you've connected your Zoom account, you can start creating live sessions for your courses. The third thing you need to know is how to schedule your Zoom meetings. Inside LearnWorlds, navigate to your course page and click on Live Sessions. You'll see an option to add a Zoom meeting. Pick the date and time, and voila! Now, your students can join live sessions directly from your course. The fourth thing you should know is how to customize your Zoom settings. While LearnWorlds automatically syncs your Zoom sessions, you may want to adjust the settings within Zoom itself for more control. This includes enabling features like waiting rooms, mute on entry, and breakout rooms, which can all be customized in Zoom. After your session is live, the fifth thing to consider is managing attendees. When you host your Zoom meeting through LearnWorlds, you can track who's attended and view their participation. It's super easy to keep track of your students and follow up with them after the class. The next thing to note is that, while LearnWorlds is great for setting up and hosting Zoom sessions, there are a few limitations. For instance, LearnWorlds live session tools don't offer advanced features like real-time polls or quizzes, which are available directly in Zoom. So, while the integration is smooth, you might find yourself wanting to use Zoom's native features for a richer experience. Now, here's where things get interesting. If you're looking for a platform that combines the power of Zoom with more robust course creation tools, there's another option you should consider. I'm talking about CompetitorName. This platform not only integrates with Zoom, but also offers better customization for live sessions and more engagement options for your audience. Before you rush off, I've got an exclusive deal for you. If you sign up through the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial of LearnWorlds, plus exclusive perks. But if you're thinking of switching or just want to see other options, check out the alternatives I mentioned. They also offer free trials with amazing features that might be more suited to your needs. So go ahead and give it a try. The links in the description will get you the best deals and exclusive benefits that are only available for viewers like you.